How to launch your successful e-commerce brand in 2025. I'm going to help you. And my name is Margot, alias Margavalux. I'm a French entrepreneur. With my partner Vincent, we have two companies. The first one, well, three companies actually. The first one is a pre-loved reselling platform where we sell luxury pre-loved bags. The second one is a company related to yacht industry, yacht luxury industry, where we help brands to develop on the yacht industry, the boat industry worldwide. And then the third one is a digital marketing agency worldwide, obviously, to help brands to develop online. But in this video, I really wanted to make it to motivate you first. And if you want to launch a brand, I want to give you some little tips and like step-by-step guide and not lose any time. Part one is why launching an e-commerce brand in 2025. A lot of people believe that e-commerce is completely saturated, but let me tell you what, it's not. So go for it. E-commerce is the future. It's just the beginning. If you see so many brands, so many companies launching an e-commerce brand, an e-commerce business, it means that you have a spot. It's growing and growing. So it means that the more and more people are on it, the more clients you can get. So jump on the trend, jump on it. E-commerce is growing so fast, especially since COVID. So you should also be here. Online shopping is increasing. Live shopping is increasing too. You can find TikTok shop developing everywhere. It's now open to Europe, finally. I'm based in Europe, that's why. You have also like companies like Whatnot, that is a US company that arrived also in Europe that does live shopping, auction, and etc. Live shopping is growing so fast in Asia, also in the US, and now in Europe. This is a new trend. This is a new way to purchase online. And niches are exploding right now, like pre-loved luxury, but be careful with pre-loved. You need like the authentication expert part. You have the boating industry, yachting, wellness, well-being, online classes. Digital product also is crazy right now if you have a good digital product and a good branding around. But just the thing is, if you have an idea, go for it. Just don't listen too much to people around you telling you, oh, that idea already exists. I am sure that you already listened to someone that tells you, oh, but your idea already exists. Yes, and so what? You don't really necessarily want something brand new, something that does not exist, because the work will be so much more complicated. So even if something already exists that you want to do it, just do it, just change the marketing, put your own touch, this is important. And if like lots of companies are doing this, it means that there is a market, there is lots of clients, potential clients, and that you have a spot. You can even like, I don't know, like a market that has like 1 billion euro market potential. Even if you get 1 million, it's already a lot, and it's in percentage, it's small. Now, part two, I'm going to give you 5 key steps to help you develop your brands. So the first one is to find your idea and develop it. You need to validate your market. It's so important. But the first thing is to find your idea. If you don't have any idea, I really advise you to check online, to see YouTube, to check something you like, you love, or something that will answer to a problem. This is also something we hear a lot. Sometimes it's getting annoying for me to hear this, because you don't necessarily need to create a company that answers a real problem. Not necessarily, no. But either it's answering a problem, either it's a desirable brand. So you need a good brand around your commerce. But the thing is, you need also to validate your market, because if there is no one, even if your idea is amazing, no one purchase, it's not working. So you need something also that people will like and purchase. So for this, I would really advise you, when you get the idea, well, to get your idea, also go on the Entrepreneurs Club, walk around, talk to people, and I believe you'll find some few things. Go on the forum where people ask lots of questions. You will probably find some problem to answer. Second one is, like you need to validate your market. To do this, I would not advise you first to create like a website or an application. I would first advise you to just make a form, an online form, send it to lots of people around you, not only your family, because they are not the ones that will purchase necessarily, even your friends, you will see. But try to make it filled by more than 100% that you don't know and see the results, okay? But try to validate like this and see if people are ready to purchase. Even if you don't have a website, try to sell before you even get the product. As we always say, fake it until you make it. And this is very important. Keep this in mind. Then you need to build your brand awareness, and to stand out. This is so important, especially in 2025. Lots of people are here on the market. Online marketing, e-commerce is getting easier and more accessible. So you need to stand out. Either it's branding, either it's social media, either it's your product, either it's your website. I don't care, but you need to stand out. Like the branding, it what makes you unique, and this is what we perform best with Bamluxurystore and Bamyachting, for example. We love doing this. This is a good strategy, good branding, being close to the customer, depending on if you want to be close, sympathetic, or if you want not to show your face. You have multiple strategy, but you need to be very, very accurate about this. Don't copy too much your competitors. It's not gonna work, and it's not good. You can check what everyone is doing. Of course, you have lots of trends and to follow, but have your own touch, have your own thing. This is what matters at the end of the year, because you're not gonna last if you don't have a good, strong brand. Then you need to choose the right platform. I'm mentioning the website. So we do use Shopify for the Bamluxurystore. We also have Wix, and we also have WordPress WooCommerce. So you can also create your own website on nothing with developers. But if you start, I would really advise you to use a tool. Either you do it yourself and you form yourself, or if you don't have the time and you really, really don't know how to do it, I would advise you to hire someone that can do it for between like 1,000 and 3,000, 4,000 euro. It's correct. Then if it works, you need a better website, go with developers and create your own platform and blah, 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 and invest in it. But before, I'm not sure you need to invest first and then sell. Sell first and then invest. The 4 is marketing and visibility, which is so important today. Today we have the chance to have so many free platform, free tool. This is crazy. So take this opportunity. You have all the social media platforms. It's free. It's just time consuming, of course, but it's free. It's free marketing. Live shopping also is so good today. We make lots of sales from it. Instagram, TikTok Shop, whatnot, and so many other platforms. You have also the SEO, the blogs, being on Google, on TikTok also now is becoming more and more engine search. Email marketing, you need to be close to your customers. So, influencer marketing also is not real free, but it works good if you know how to do it, okay? It's not for everyone and for every type of product, but it can be good. And finally, test, analyze, and scale your business. I sometimes don't like this word, how to scale your business, because you have business that are not going to scale because they are not scalable business. But you have some, yes. So it depends on what you do. Don't focus on this too much. Don't focus too much on get investors. Focus first on selling, having a proof of concept, and then you can invest more. But I would advise first to sell, reinvest what you want by get a better website, get someone to help you for social media, or but first sell your product. Even if you don't really have the product, try to sell it to see if people are ready to purchase it. And the last part, the third part, is the motivation. Why you really need to start here in 2025. When we launched Bamluxury, Bamyachting, and etc., we didn't know what to do, where to start, if it's gonna work, but we did it step by step. We did not launch it perfect. If you go on the website of Bamluxurystore, you will see it's not perfect. And I'm doing website, I'm creating website, but mine is not perfect and not even so great. And you know what? Because I just created the website in maybe less than 3 or 4 hours on a Sunday and started to sell on it because it was easier for me. I needed something quick and fast, and it's working. And I still sell very good on it. I sell more than 1 million on it. But yes, nowadays I would need to take the time to increase and better the website. I will probably soon. At the moment where you see this video, maybe it's done, it's better. But it's not perfect. So don't wait that it's perfect to start. It will never be perfect. And it's not that you think it's perfect that for your customer it will be perfect. So be careful with that. Also, you will also make it perfect with your customers. Okay, you can ask them, build with them. It's important also to answer what they need, what they like, because you're not the one buying, your customers are. But you don't need to be fully ready to start. You will fail, of course. You will have lots of issue, of course, but you can do it. It's scary, of course, to launch your own business, but it's worth it. Trust me. It's a lots of work, lots of stress, but it's different and it's amazing. So just do it. We have a digital agency. If you need help on anything, we speak French, English, and Spanish, and we would be very happy to help you. So in case you're looking for something, contact me directly on Instagram, Margavalux or Bamluxurystore, and we can maybe help you. Thank you so much again for being until the end of this video. It was a long one, but I think it was important also. It's a different one that what I'm used to do. But I wanted to tell this, like, go for it. Just launch your thing. Don't think about it too much, and everything's gonna be alright. Anyway, let me know in the comment if you have any tips for us, either if you are an entrepreneur or if you're an employee or anything. We don't care. If you have good tips, drop them below. It's very, very, very important to share. It can help us. Also, it can help you. So just share. Thank you so much again. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.